friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today I am going to show you how to make Pathani kurta. So this I am making for my 7 years old son. I am taking around 1.5 meters of fabric. These are the body measurements. And first we are going to make the front part of our kurta. So fold the fabric one time and then straighten up from the top by giving a straight line like this. Now let's mark the body measurements: half of your shoulder, half of your armhole, fourth part of your chest adding 1 inch, and from here go down around 10.5 inches and mark your hip measurement, fourth part of your hip adding 1 inch for seam allowances. And now join these 2 points by giving a straight line like this. Now from this top line go downward and mark the total length of your kurta. Here mine is 32 inches, so I am marking in 33 inches downward here from all the sides. Mark 33 inches and now give a straight line. Now here you need to increase this length by 2 inches or 3 inches, whatever the flare you want downward. So increase this 2 to 3 inches from your hip area by giving a slanting line like this, and now mark 1 inch extra for stitching purpose and again draw the line like this. Now give 1 inch shoulder drop. Now let's draw the front armhole. So here I took half of my armhole, that is 6.3 inches here, and now from this point mark your armhole, it's 5.5 inches. Now mark middle point of this and mark it. Now from here mark 1 inch from this corner and draw your armhole in this way. Just 0.25 inches inside that middle point, so it's coming this much. Now draw your neckline and cut onto the markings. So the depth of your neckline you can take according to your preference. I took 3 inches. So this is our front part. Now let's make the back part of your kurti, but before that we need to give a slit from the neckline till 8 inches downward. Just give one slit like this because we are going to make a placket here for our kurta. Now from the remaining fabric just fold it one more time and put your front part like this, and from the upside you need to leave around 2 to 3 inches more because we are going to make a collar here. So just mark 2 inches extra upward towards your shoulder part and give a straight line like this. Now from your shoulder mark 2 inches upward like this in a slanting way, and again draw a slanting line like this. Now from here give a straight line to increase your armhole and trace the rest of the cuttings as it is. Here mark your neck depth around 1.5 inches in your back side and give a round neck shape like this. Now we need to cut onto these markings. So let's cut this out. So our back part is also ready. Now let's cut the sleeves with the remaining fabric. Fold it 2 times like this. Now from the top mark 3 inches downward. Give a straight line, and from here mark half of your armhole, that is 5 inches here I'm taking. Now the total length I'm taking here is 13 inches for my sleeves, including the seam allowances. Mark a straight line. Now mark half of your forearm. Now join these 2 points and leave 1 inch extra for stitching purpose. Mark again, and now draw your back armhole and half inch inside your front armhole. Now cut on to the markings, and now let's join these shoulder part. I already made a video for the placket, so you can refer that video. Now let's calculate the length of your neckline. So just measure it. So half of this is 7.8 around, so total 15.5 I have my neck length. So I will be making around 15 inches longer collar. The detailed video, if you want, you can just comment down, I'll drop it. To not to make my video lengthy, I just shorten it like this. Now after cutting the collar into the interfacing, let's stick it to the fabric, leaving around half inches. Now join both the pieces together and then attach these pieces onto your main fabric's neckline in this way. And my collar is also ready and the placket is ready. Now let's attach the strips onto this shoulder part. So the total length is 3 inches. I'm taking around 4 inches longer strip to decorate my Pathani kurta. So 4 inches longer and 1 inches wider. I'm going to take 2 strips, and in the end I'm going to make this triangle kind of shape. So you can see in front of your screen how I'm making it on the interfacing. Take the middle point and make this type of triangle. Now cut this out. So these 2 strips we need to first stick it onto our fabric. One more decorative pocket I'm going to make. In front of your screen you can see how I'm making it. This is around 3 inches longer and 1.5 inches wider. Now I'm giving this triangular shape a pocket shape. Now cut this out. So we need 2 pieces like this, and now let's stick it onto the fabric, leaving around half inches. So this is the white fabric I took. We need 2 inches, and now let's stitch it just next to these interfacing. Alright, now let's cut the extra fabrics, give small slits, and then turn this towards the right side in this way. So these are the 4 pieces ready. So now let's attach these decorative pieces onto our main kurta in this way. And Now after attaching these strips, let's join the sleeves. So this folded sleeves I made, and video also I put on my channel, so you can just refer that. Now stitch onto the sides, leaving around 1 inches till here, and here we need to give the hemmings in the bottom and in the sides slits. So this placket video I already uploaded in my channel, you can watch it. And here in the top part you need to add the buttonholes, and here inside you need to put your buttons. And this is the folded sleeve. I already uploaded the video in my channel, you can watch the tutorial, it's very short and simple. Now put one more button to keep it in place, and this is how, after attaching the buttons in the shoulder strips and in the pockets and in the placket, it's looking like this. The Pathani kurta came out very well after stitching. The fittings are perfect, and my kid really enjoyed wearing this. I hope you also enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.